we are on October the 26th on a Monday. We're in Peona, Colorado, and as you can see behind me, the game is out. Got some great mule deers here, some smaller mule deers, but we're hoping they'll kind of make their way over to where Mike Saylor is at, so that our good brother Merrill will be able to get him a nice mule deer buck. But we're on the hunt for elk, and we got some snow, 6-8 inches. It's cold, and but we're having a great time, as you can see. The wildlife here, we got some great mule deer. So I just wanted to take a moment to share it with you. So now I'm going to get back in the truck where it's warm. Enjoy, stay with us.